everyone, welcome to another haul video. Here I'm going to share a lot of tops, dresses, earrings and pants. So let's start without further delay. Let's start with whites. This is a white top with thread detailing on it. Also I really like the sleeves and neckline. Just look at the detailing. And this is the another white one. If you want to wear it as a main top, you can, but it's more of layering piece. You can style this with shrugs, jacket or an open shirt. It will look really good that way. And this is the third one, a hard print top. I haven't tried this one yet. I will style it soon and share it with you. Now let's move to burgundy. This is a velvet burgundy top. I absolutely love this one. It's comfortable and beautiful. The pearl on the sleeves really enhance the look. It's perfect for dates. This is another one, a satin top. I love the color of this. These kind of shades really enhance your overall look. You can pair it with jeans or pants casually. You will love the final look. And here is a red one. I'll style this soon and share it with you. Again, the pearl detailing makes it look beautiful. I'm thinking of pairing this with white. You guys tell me in the comments which color I should pair this with. And this is a blazer. It comes with a belt. I'm not very happy with the quality, but looks wise it's not bad. And this is not exactly a top. It's more like a thermal, perfect for layering in winter. Now this is a woolen dress. If you are planning a holiday in a cool place, this is a perfect option. You can pair it with woolen stockings. It will look stylish and put together. This is another dress. To be honest, I don't like fabric quality much, but the fitting is perfect. Shein may sometimes compromise on fabric, but it usually gives a very good fit. That's why I kept it. This is another denim dress. I ordered this one size bigger because as a new mom, I was looking for something feeding friendly. And this is perfect. It also looks smarter when it's styled with a belt. This is another top with polka dot sleeves. It's very simple. You can consider it for formal wear. This is another dress. Again very simple but with a chic look. It's stretchable as well. If you are looking for something elegant, I would recommend this one. I have already shared videos wearing this. This is another dress. It gives Korean vibes. You can pair it with black solid inner and it will give you a perfect look. And this is a maxi dress with floral pattern. Again, I love the fitting of this dress. You can wear it with belt, shrugs or with a denim jacket. And this is a palazzo pant. It's not just for kurtas. You can pair it with tops, kurtas. It goes with everything. If you are looking for a wide leg jeans, I would recommend this one. I think this is called boyfriend jeans. I love the overall look of it. I'll share all the links in the description. Check my shorts for styling ideas and suggest more. This is woolen stockings. As I mentioned, this is very useful for winter holidays. You don't have to compromise on style if you have this. This is a velvet dress. It's new and I haven't tried this yet. I really like the color and it's more of a party dress. If you're looking for a party option, you can definitely try this one. This is a crop top which I paired with a sari. I think it goes perfectly with the sari. You can also use this as a sari or lehenga blouse. And these are the earrings I recently got. I found this pretty. I'll share all the links in the description. This is another one, but I'm not very happy with the quality. This one is very cute and elegant. I'll pair it with something red. And now this golden one. I actually got this for Eid and they matched perfectly. I also got this hair bow. Very cute and available in multiple colors. And this heart shaped specs. A bit different and super cute. Last but not least, this dungaree, perfect for picnics and amusement parks. That's it from me. Links in description. I'll be back with another haul soon. Like, share and subscribe for more.